Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025 to 2024 BMW i7. The 2024 BMW i7 has been honored as the best luxury electric car for 2025, setting a new standard for sophistication, performance, and cutting-edge technology in the electric vehicle (EV) market. As BMW's flagship electric sedan, the i7 perfectly embodies the brand's commitment to luxury and innovation, offering a driving experience that blends opulence with the latest in electric mobility. Exquisite design and unmatched comfort. The 2024 BMW i7 showcases a design that is both elegant and commanding, with a distinctive kidney grille, sleek lines, and adaptive LED headlights that give it a futuristic yet unmistakably BMW appearance. The car's long wheelbase and aerodynamic shape not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to a smooth and quiet ride. Inside, the i7 is a sanctuary of luxury. The cabin is adorned with the finest materials, including merino leather, premium wood trim, and intricate ambient lighting that can be customized to suit the mood. Rear passengers are treated to executive-class seating with an available reclining function, massaging seats, and an optional 31.3-inch 8K BMW theater screen that transforms the rear compartment into a private cinema. Powerful performance and impressive range. The 2024 BMW i7 is powered by dual electric motors that produce a combined 536 horsepower, delivering brisk acceleration and smooth, effortless power. The i7 can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.5 seconds, offering sports car-like performance in a full-sized luxury sedan. Despite its impressive power, the i7 also excels in efficiency, with a range of up to 350 miles on a single charge. BMW's adaptive air suspension ensures a plush ride, while its precise steering and advanced chassis technology provide agile handling, making the i7 as enjoyable to drive as it is to be driven in. Advanced technology and safety. The i7 is equipped with BMW's latest iDrive 8.5 infotainment system, featuring a curved display that seamlessly integrates the digital instrument cluster and central touchscreen. The system supports voice and gesture controls, providing intuitive access to a wide range of features. The i7 also includes a comprehensive suite of driver assistance technologies, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and BMW's Advanced Parking Assistant Professional, which allows for automated parking maneuvers. Conclusion. The 2024 BMW i7's blend of luxurious design, powerful performance, and state-of-the-art technology has earned it the title of Best Luxury Electric Car for 2025. As the electric vehicle landscape continues to evolve, the i7 stands out as a pinnacle of luxury and innovation, offering a driving experience that is truly exceptional.